Making digital life certificate has never been so easy. The Government of India has made the process very simple, and pensioners can now make digital life certificate with multiple options. So, whether retired from any department of the government or for the pensioners under the EPFO's scheme of provident fund by a private company, the process of annual life certificate is quite simple. First way, from home. You can do these things by staying at home in the following ways. But before that, you have to keep these documents ready. A. Pension ID. B. Pension payment order. C. Pension disbursement department. D. Bank account details. E. Mobile number and email ID. F. Aadhaar number or card. To facilitate this process, India Post Payments Bank (IPPB) has launched Digital Life Certificate Service for pensioners. They can submit an online request to avail the Digital Life Certificate service on payment of a nominal fee. Type flawlessly in any browser ccc.cept.gov.in/covid/request.aspx. You can also do this from the Postinfo app on your mobile. For this, you have to download this app. You will get this window. Please enter your name, full address, PIN code, email ID, mobile number, which was registered with EPFO, and select IPPB Jeevan Pramaan Digital Life Certificate from the drop-down menu. No other information is needed here. And now press the Request OTP button. You will receive an OTP in your mobile. Enter your OTP. If you do not receive OTP within 2 minutes, request again for OTP. You will receive a confirmation mail in your registered email. You can track your request in the URL mentioned in the mail. There is no difference between the screen you see on a laptop or a computer or a mobile. Within 48 hours, a person will come from your respective post office, and he will bring with him scanner device and take all the details from you. Once the process is successfully completed in person or by the postman, the digital Jeevan Pramaan with the proof ID will be generated instantly and will be sent to you on your mobile, which you can download or print later. By Public Sector Bank at your doorstep. Banking facility at your doorstep has been started by these 12 banks. These banks are Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Canara Bank, Central Bank of India, Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank, Punjab National Bank, State Bank of India, UCO Bank, and Union Bank of India. One of the services started by these banks is the facility of life certificate. For this, you have to sign in doorstepbanks.com, which is a simple process. On registering, you need to select your bank. After logging in with an OTP on the registered mobile and entering all the information, your profile will be created and you will get a message. After this, you can put your request on the bank of your choice, in which bank you have an account. After entering your account number, you can enter your request by selecting the life certificate. Here you have to enter your home address. DSB, that is the doorstep banking agent, will be sent to your address by your bank, and he will make your DLC. For any kind of assistance, you can contact on these helpline phone numbers. For pensioners of State Bank, if someone's pension is received in State Bank, then a special facility of DLC has been given for them through video call of the bank. A YouTube video link about this is given in description box and an I button. Must watch it. Or type in any browser www.bit.ly/pensionsbi. You can create DLC by video call in a very easy way. At home on Government of India portal. You can make your own DLC at home on the Government of India portal www.jeevanpramaan.gov.in. For this, you have to download an app. You can download this app from a link given by your email ID by visiting the portal given above. You can download this app on your computer or mobile. Before doing this, you have to buy a fingerprint device and install it. Only certified biometric devices can be used. Its link is also given in the description box. Before the information of the pensioner, the details of the operator will have to be entered. After that, by entering your details step by step, you can create your DLC from the scanner. Although this method is very effective, many senior citizens may not be able to understand it completely without somebody's help. Other traditional methods are: one can visit the bank in which the pensioner's pension comes and fill a form and submit it. If for some reason the pensioner cannot go to the bank, then fill the form and get it signed by the designated officers given here and submit it. Apart from all this, you can also create DLC with the method given below. 1. You can visit 135 regional offices and 2. 117 District Office of Employees Provident Fund Commissioner. 3. 3,65,000 Common Service Centers CSC certified by Government of India after paying a nominal charge. And 4. Women Gap. You can get information about which Common Service Center CSC is near you on the website of Jeevan Pramaan. For this, you need to enter the location type, state, and district by going to jeevanpramaan.gov.in and enter the CAPTCHA code. You will get the CSC list of that area as soon as you press the search button. You can submit your DLC as per your convenience by visiting the CSC.
We are sure the information given by Seniors Club in this video was useful to you. Please keep on watching more such videos. And yes, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe.